Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the question that was asked is, can I start trading with just $10? Can I just trading with just $10? So we're going to just talk about it in this video. Are you able to start trading with $10, and can you reasonably make some money trading with just $10? So let's talk about it in this video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. Like the video. That's how you motivate me to continue sharing this knowledge and doing everything that I do also on this channel with you guys for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, including any downloads. If you want to download courses, books, indicators, robots, and stuff like that that are people selling out there, you can download everything for free using the links in the description box below. So go ahead and like the video. You don't lose anything, but it means everything to me. And if you are also wondering about the broker that I use, their link is in the description box below. They are award winning. I have been with them for more than 5 years now. I have not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals. So go ahead and sign up with them using the link in the description box below. One of their best offers is that with just $5 you can actually open a real life trading account, which you can use to test your robots, your indicators, your strategies, and everything else without putting too much capital on the line. Okay, so let's get back to our video. So can I start trading with just $10? The short answer is yes. Like I've just mentioned, the broker that I use, the minimum that you can use to start a real life trading account is just $5. And there are several other brokers that you can actually start trading from $5, $10. So basically, that shouldn't stop you from getting into the market. When the person asked this question, I think it's kind of fake in a way, because you I'm assuming they are also asking, can you reasonably make some good money out trading with $10? Maybe that's the second part of the question that I probably also need to touch on. But the first part, are there brokers that accept people who just want to start with $10? Yes, there are definitely brokers that you can sign up with them. $5 with my broker. The link is in the description box below, and there are other brokers as well out there. You just need $5 or $10, and you can open a real life trading account. Now, the second part is, can you reasonably make some good money when you start with $10? I believe that's debatable. I know there are people who are going to come and say it's impossible, it can't be done, and things like that. Technically, and speaking for myself, maybe also consider that I've been doing this for some 5 years, more than 5 years now, so I kind of know when to get into the market and when to get out. So for me, I've done it. Basically, I've been turning those $10 accounts into something like $100, and I take that money out and stuff like that. So it's things that I've also done previously. I do have accounts where I've got bigger deposits and stuff like that, but I've also started from where you are not so sure as a beginner. You are not so sure about what you are doing, so you don't want to put a lot of money into your trading account and watch it all getting blown. So that's the first thing that drew me to these micro accounts, these small accounts where you can actually deposit only $5, $10, and you start trading, because I was afraid I would put $1,000, $500 into the account and then blow the account. Then it doesn't make sense. So that's one of the important things probably that I should mention is, when you start with this $5 account, $10 account, Technically your mind should not be that I want to turn these $5 into $50, into $100, into $1,000 or stuff like that, or I'm going to turn this $10 into $100 or $200 or $1,000 or something like that. Your mentality when you are opening an account with this $5 or $10, what you want to do is use it to get a feel of the market, especially if you are just starting out trading, or if you are testing new tools. If you are testing a new tool and you want to see how well it performs in a real life market environment, then you can open these $10, $5 accounts. Yes, you can flip them. Like I said, I basically did it. I've been using micro accounts for years now. You can basically flip those ones. But what you need is a good trading strategy, a good solid trading strategy, and you need to be somebody who is able to be faithful to their rules. You need to know when to enter and when to get out. One thing that I discovered kills these small accounts is over trading. Over trading. You should be able to take a trade, take a profit, call it a day. But usually people have this temptation that maybe yesterday you took a trade with that $10 account, and maybe you took a trade, let's say maybe on silver or gold or GBP USD, something that moves, and you manage to turn that $10 into $15. I promise you, most people the following day they'll be tempted to want to turn that $15 into $30. They are tempted to then start over trading. That's how you kill that account. So your $10 account, understand its limits. What you want to do is recently maybe grow it 5%, and you're done for the day. Even if there are more tempting setups that day, just let it go. Come again the next day, do the same thing, and as you compound it as well, you eventually, not eventually, because I've been doing these things, you can turn $10 and you can turn it into something like $200 in less than 2 weeks if you're just consistent and stick to your plan. Don't over risk, don't over trade, and things like that. So $10, you can basically use it and basically flip it. And there are also things like synthetics, so aside from forex, you can also trade synthetics, and with just $10, because those things, they move, I promise you. Those synthetics, the boom and crash volatility 75 index, I know probably some people have never heard of those things. Just Google volatility 75 or synthetic indices. Those things, they move. You can basically turn $5 into like $50 overnight on VIX 75. Just catch a good move. But that's not to say that you can do that each and every day, because you need to understand how it's moving. You need a consistent strategy and some practice to understand how the market moves. Then you can definitely flip a $10 into $50, $100 overnight on synthetics. I've done it. I've seen people doing it all over. So definitely you can start trading with $10. Don't let the amount that you have limit you. Of course, you need to lower your expectations. Don't go into the market with the mindset of, I'm going to turn these $10 into $1,000 next week. No, you cannot do that. That's the mentality that gets people massacred in the market. Whether you're trading $1,000 or with $1 million, the moment you start focusing on, I'm going to flip this account and I'm going to be a millionaire, a billionaire tomorrow, that's how you get into trouble. So yeah, I thought, let me answer that question. Can you start trading with $10? Yes, you can. There are many brokers where you can start with. I think I've even heard where you can start with $1, but well, I don't know. But $5, $10, my broker, you can basically do that. So find a good strategy, practice on demo, then come and open your account with your $10. If you are not so sure, if you don't put your capital on the line too soon, then you test out your strategies, your robots, your systems, and basically you can grow that account with some good risk management, some good trading habits, and basically a good trading strategy. Okay, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I don't claim, I don't want to profess to be the best, the final word on this out there. So if you have thoughts on this, can I start trading with $10? Leave it in the comment section below. I would want to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.